Welcome. In this video I will show you a quick guide on how to download and install apps from App Store on Apple Watch Ultra 3. First of all, make sure that your Apple Watch is connected to the internet by pressing the side button once, and then in Control Center you can check whether you are connected to the Wi-Fi network or if you are connected using the mobile data. So check if one of these icons are enabled, and then press the digital crown once to open the list of all apps. Search for the App Store, open it, and now you can either choose one of the apps on the main page, one of the recommendations, or search for the app you want to find. You can find it using your keyboard if you select this option, or if you want to change the input method, you can tap right here and then change to manual. This way you'll have to enter each letter by drawing it on your watch's screen, or voice input method, which will allow you to just say the name of the app you want to install. For example, Google Maps. Tap search and wait for the results to load. And once you see the app you want to download, just tap the get or the cloud download icon next to it, and just wait until this application is downloaded on your Apple Watch. Once it's downloaded, you can open it from here, or you can press the digital crown once again, find your app on the apps list, and then open it from here. If you want to remove the app you downloaded, you have to hold it down, hold your finger down on this apps icon on your apps screen, and then tap the X icon in the top left corner of this application. It's quite tricky. Okay, give me a moment. Okay, and then confirm by clicking delete app. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.